Lochani. My name is Thando Mahlangu, your very educated educator. So I will be teaching you IsiNdebele. I will say it slow in IsiNdebele. Sometimes I will say it repeatedly, and then I will also say it in English, so that you get to learn at least one word a day. Okay, let's go. Idolo. Idolo. Idolo, it's a knee. Idolo, it's a knee. Then, idombolo. Idombolo. Idombolo, it's a lump of dog cooked in a stew. Yeah. Hi, guys. Marage, idombolo. Idombolo, it's made with a flour. You put it in a pot. But before that, okay, we're going forward because what I'm trying to explain in English, it's difficult. Donda, ngiyadonda. When I say ngiyadonda, it means I'm lazy. Yazi namhlanje khona ngiyadonda. Today I'm lazy. Simple, ne? Idondolo. Idondolo. Idondolo, it's a walking stick. Normally it's used by the old people like abo grandma, abo grandpa. They're using idondolo, it's a walking stick. Then udohotera. Udohotera. Udohotera is a doctor. When I say today I'm going to a doctor, IsiNdebele, I'm gonna be saying namhlanje khona ngizokuyobona udohotera. Namhlanje khona fanele ngilale ngimbonile udohotera. Then when I say idoroba, idoroba, in English it's a town. You get that one, it's simple, ne? Idoroba, it's a town. I'm going to town, ngisaya edrobheni. Ngisaya ngedorobheni. But in English you just said, I'm now going to town. Yes. Then idonki. Idonki, ngesiNdebele samambala ngudumbana. Then in English it's donkey. It's donkey. You got that one, right? Udumbana, it's donkey. Yes. Bagwetu, for today, this was our last episode for today. It's episode 9. Thank you very much for tuning in and willing to learn IsiNdebele. You will see, once you get to speak IsiNdebele Namkara, you get to learn it. IsiNdebele, it's a very beautiful language. You can also tune to, if you are in South Africa, of course, you can also tune to Ikwekwezi FM for more learnings of IsiNdebele, how to pronounce it, how to speak IsiNdebele, so that you can get to understand the beautiful language with beautiful colors, with beautiful attire. My name is Thando Mahlangu. On Twitter at Thando Mahlangu_, on TikTok at Thando Mahlangu_, on YouTube at Thando Mahlangu_. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.